Legendary reggae singer Bonnie Wailer hospitalized after getting a stroke, and his wife Jane Watt is still missing from May of this year. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 7 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 7 TV Celebrity Scoop. We ask you please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos, and always remember to click that notification bell. So it's a sad day in reggae music and a sad day in the music industry after news spread of the hospitalization of reggae iconic singer Bonnie Wailer. Well, if you don't know who Bonnie Wailer is, I'm gonna just give you a little backtrack about the life and birth of this reggae star. So Neville O'Reilly Livingston, OM, which stands for Order of Merit, that was bestowed upon the reggae singer some years ago by the Jamaican government, was born April 10th, 1947. He's best known by the name Bonnie Wailer. So Bonnie Wailer is a Jamaican songwriter and percussionist, and is one of the original reggae member of the Bob Marley and the Wailers band that include Bob Marley and Peter Tosh. He's a three-time Grammy Award winning singer, and he's considered one of the long-standing bearers of the iconic reggae music itself. He also goes by the name Bonnie Livingston and also Jabi. So this individual is well known right across all diaspora of our music and right across the world. Now, what transpired with the reggae star in recent days has left the music fraternity and the media fraternity in shock based on the fact about an incident that took place some weeks ago as it relates to the disappearance of Bonnie Wailer's wife. She has not been found since, as she has been missing from May of this year. So with the recent development now as it relates to Bonnie Wailer, we are not sure whether this is what really triggered this incident that took place with Bonnie Wailer, based on the fact that he's not doing well and his health condition has deteriorated since the past few days. So Bonnie Wailer's wife is missing from May of this year, and he had put out a statement requesting if anyone with information could provide to him in order to locate his wife that is missing for some weeks now. So Bonnie Wailer right now is actually in the hospital and is trying his very best, and the doctors are doing their best in order to keep the entertainer alive based on the fact that he received a serious stroke and is in the medical facility right now. So the family of Bonnie Wailer, one of the founding members of the legendary group the Wailers, is now being forced to handle a double dose of pressure following the hospitalization of the singer. Well, the family and friends of Bonnie Wailer, one of the founding members of the legendary group, the Wailers, is now being forced to handle another pressure on their minds based on the fact that the reggae singer is now in the hospital once again. Bonnie Wailer, who is now 73 years old, was rushed to a medical facility in Kingston on July 20 due to complications stemming from a stroke he experienced back in October of 2018. Back in October of 2018, the initial medical complications saw Bonnie Wailer being affected predominantly on the right side of his body. The legendary reggae singer situation was also compounded based on the fact that the medical complication left him with a speech impediment. In the meantime, the medical complication saw the reggae artist, whose real name is Neville Livingston, being rushed to a medical facility in Cuba for treatment before being taken back to Jamaica to continue his rehabilitation process before he was readmitted to a Kingston medical facility on July 20 of this year. The medical officials at the hospital where the entertainer is now confined to are working and doing their best in order to stabilize the iconic reggae singer Bonnie Wailer. It was just earlier this year the reggae singer and the family were hit with a devastating news of the disappearance of his partner Jane Watt from their home in Washington Garden, St. Andrew. There have been an extensive search going on across the parish in order to locate the 70-year-old wife of the great reggae iconic singer Wailer, who went missing back in May of this year. It is also stated that his wife suffers from dementia, and this might be a contributing factor to her disappearance. The family have so far taken a proactive approach along with a monetary reward. The family have also contacted the local authorities as well as hired private investigators in order to locate the missing individual who has been missing since May. It's not very clear at this point in time whether the new medical complication that the reggae singer developed is a contributing factor based on the fact that his wife have not yet been located. The legendary and iconic Wailer was provided with a Lifetime Achievement Award from the Jamaica Reggae Industry Association just in February of 2020 for his musical contribution that spanned over 5 decades. The Jamaican government also awarded the reggae singer with the Order of Merit. The 5th highest honor of Jamaica was bestowed upon the great reggae singer in 2017. In 2019, he received the Pinnacle Award in New York for the Coalition to Preserve Reggae Music. So this is where we're going to leave you for now for Links 007 TV, and we're just hoping that the reggae singer does pull through this one, and we're just hoping that the family does find the strength to just cope through this difficult time, as I know it's going to be a difficult time for them, considering that he's in the hospital and his wife is also missing for some months now. It's a difficult time, but I hope that they do find the strength to just cope through this one. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out again for this one. Have a blessed and productive day from Links TV.